5 over 4 power m plus 6 is equal 16 over 25 power m. Find the value of m. So m is equal what? So how to solve this? So we have to this in the power notation also we get 5 over 4 power m plus 6. Okay, then is equal what? Is equal 16 is equal 4 power 2 divided by 25 is equal 5 power 2, then power m. So this is the power 2, this is the same to what power 2 here. So then it is equal to 5 over 4 power m plus 6 is equal 4 over 5 power 2, then power m is equal to m. So the base are different. So we change this or that in order to get the same base. So for example, when we change this 5 over 4, this is equal to 4 over 5 power minus 1. So it is the inverse. So when you add this, it is similar to what that. So then replace this in that equation, you see that 4 over 5 power minus 1, then power m plus 6 is equal 4 over 5 power 2m. So according to that, 4 over 5 power, when we use minus 1 power this, we take minus 1 multiply to that equation. This is equal minus m minus 6. So this is equal 4 over 5 power 2m. So remember that the base of that are the same. If the base are the same, equate the exponent. So when you equate the exponent, you get minus m minus 6 is equal to m. So minus 6 is equal to m plus m. When you move this in that side, you get positive. Minus 6 is equal to 3m. M is equal minus 6 over 3. M is equal minus 2. The value of m is equal minus 2. So this is the value of that m. Thank you for understanding this. If we have the problem or any question, ask us in the comment. We are together.